Hey guys, my name is Radosh and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really beautiful summery fruit cake. The recipe itself is going to be really easy, it requires no baking and the whole preparation time is going to take maybe half an hour. And the results are going to be amazing. Stick around for the next couple of minutes and let me show you how to make a cake. For the vanilla cream, we will need 1 liter of milk. We will heat 700 milliliters and the remaining 300 we will use to dissolve 3 vanilla puddings with 150 grams of sugar. Once it starts simmering, we will combine them and mix until it thickens up. Now we're going to transfer the pudding in a bowl, cover it with cling film to prevent the crust from forming and leave it to cool down. Take 400 grams of berries, I'm using strawberries and raspberries, but you can use any berries that you like. Add 200 grams of orange juice and let it heat up. While that's warming up, in 100 ml of orange juice, dissolve 50 grams of cornstarch and 100 grams of sugar. Using the mixer or potato masher, mix the fruits to create a smooth sauce. To that, we will add the rest of the ingredients. Mix it until it thickens up and place in a bowl covered with cling film to cool down. Now in a mixing bowl, add 250 grams of cream cheese, a splash of vanilla and 50 grams of sugar. Mix it well to incorporate and then add 500 ml of mixed whipped cream. Add the pudding that should be cooled down to room temperature and then mix until you get a smooth cream. And now we're ready to assemble our cake. I'm using Plazma biscuits, but if you can't find them, you can use ladyfingers. They will work just as well. Lightly cover biscuits with milk and stack them around the spring form and then layer them down. Place half of vanilla cream and level it out with a spatula. After that, we're going to place our fruit layer. Level it out and make a layer of biscuits again. Place the rest of vanilla cream on top and leave in the fridge until we make our chocolate ganache. We're going to melt the chocolate in a water bath. We will take a pot, add a bit of water and let it heat up. On top of that, we will put a small mixing bowl and we will add 200 grams of chocolate and 80 grams of butter. We will melt it into a smooth cream. Pour it over the cake, level it out and leave in the fridge overnight so that all the layers set properly. The next morning, you can decorate it with buttercream or whipped cream and add berries of your choice. And now you're ready to enjoy it. Bon appétit! Hey guys, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please leave it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you!